Dear friends, in this video, let's see how to complete the tasks on ELEC app and browser. Go to APU browser. Click on APU browser and this is the page how it looks. After clicking on that, you will get to look at the tasks. Now let's click on the first task and you see this will lead to this page and there is a link given. Click on the link. You will be directed to a page where there is a video on air pollution. Please watch this video carefully once or twice or even thrice. After watching the video, go back to the same page, read the question given to you and click on discuss button. Once again you can see another discuss button at the bottom. Click on that and you will get a text box. In the text box, please try to type your answer. After typing your answer, click on done and then when you go back you will see that there is an option, view option. Click on the view option. There you can see your answer or your response to the task. And if you want to write more, click on the button reply once again and start typing your answer. This is just a sample video, that's why I didn't write the answer. So this is the response. After typing your response, click on the submit option given below. Right. That means you can record your answer as many times as possible if you are not satisfied with the first response. When you go back, you can see your response using the view option given there. The mentee is now clicking the view option and the mentee is able to see both the responses given. Now let's go to task 2, question 1. This task has an article. Click on the link which is given in blue color. Click on the link and this will lead to a different page where there is an article on aerosol. Mentee will read the article twice or thrice or as many times as possible or needed. After reading the article, the mentee has to go back to the page, read the question or the task given and click on the discuss button. This is an audio task, so don't forget to click on the pin icon given at the bottom towards the left hand side. Now click on attach audio file option, then you will be directed to this page where you will get to see this option upload a file. Wait for it and you will get this voice recorder option below. Allow and again click on voice recorder. After that you will get to see this icon in red color, audio option. There is record option towards the left. Please click on that and start recording your audio response to the task. After recording that, please use the stop button and then click on done. You will get a file like this. Now the file is processing. After the processing of the file, you will get to see the attachment over there. Wait till the processing is done completely. Now you can see the file there and there is also a text box above. In the text box, don't forget to write something, at least your name. Without writing anything in the text box, the task will not be submitted. The audio file will not be submitted. So ensure writing something in the text box and then you click on done option given below. I think you can see done option below there, below the text box, and click on that done button after writing something in the text box. So text is ready, audio file is ready. Now it's time to click on the done option, which is in blue color over there. Now the mentee can go back to the previous task and click on the view option to find out if his or her response is submitted. You can see the audio option there, audio file, and also the response there. And this is how a mentee can complete the tasks online on APU website. Thank you very much, dear friends.